Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Cecilia here. So on the last video we touched a little bit on the topic how to stop caring what other people think. So guys, let us get a little bit deeper into this one. Subscribe and then come back. So guys, I understand this. This is one of the hardest things to do. Why? Because we are human, we like socializing, we like comparing ourselves. We want people to notice if you're doing better than we were doing yesterday. We want to know if you're progressing. So it is very, very hard not to care about what other people are thinking. But we have learned and we have realized that it is not helping at all. Unless you're asking for like professional advice from other people, it is not helping to know what other people are thinking. So let me tell you how you can stop caring at all. The first giveaway on this one is thinking. All right, we are caring not what people are saying, not what people are doing, not how they're acting towards us or how they're treating us. We are caring about what other people are thinking. So this means that we do not even know if they're thinking or not. We are just assuming they are thinking about us. The problem is that your brain, like we have been doing this month, your brain only tends to go to the negative side, and that is what is killing us, because all you're thinking is people are thinking negatively about me, and this is killing a lot of people. It is demotivating a lot of people, and they are still not yet sure. So the first tip would be stop assuming people are thinking about you. Maybe they are not. So if your head tells you people who are thinking about me, what will people say, what will people think, tell your head maybe people don't care, maybe people are not thinking about me, maybe people have other things to do. All right, that is the first thing. The second thing is, if you think about other people, think about them positively. Because the only thing that is killing you is because you are assuming that other people are thinking about you the same way you are thinking about them. So if you change how you think about other people, then you'll also believe that other people are thinking positively about you, which is a very good thing. So remember this, guys, people would really be thinking positive about you. It is very possible. So do not let your head only take you to the negative side where people are only thinking negatively about you. All right, guys, this takes me to the third point. Stop over criticizing yourself. Sometimes we're too hard on ourselves. Sometimes we judge ourselves too harshly. We don't give ourselves props for all the things we have achieved and the things we're still achieving, because we're all trying our best. And because you're so hard on yourself, you expect everybody else to expect so much from you. So you always feel like you're not doing enough, like everybody is just there thinking, what is she doing? What is he doing? And that is not the case, guys. That is only because you are criticizing yourself too much, you're setting your bars too high, and because you're not reaching them, you make yourself look bad and you think everybody else sees you in that light. So be kind to yourself, be good to yourself. You're doing the best that you can. You are the best at what you do. You are a beautiful human being. Believe in that, and that is what people are seeing and thinking also. All right, guys. The next thing, stop over-respecting people. What I mean by this is, there are people you have put up on the throne somewhere. People who will never do no wrong in your eyes. All the decisions they make are right. They have their shit together. They know what they're doing with their lives. Stop doing that, guys. Because what happens is, these people that you over-respect are also human beings. There are things that they will do and you'd run away. You'll not even believe it. But when you put them on this throne up there where they can do no wrong, their opinion matters very much to you, and that is very dangerous, because these people, every time they'll give you an opinion on something, you give it so much weight, it could cost you a lot. It could change your life. And sometimes people are only giving you their opinion. Sometimes it's what they would have done. Sometimes it's according to their experiences. So giving people too much respect than they deserve can be harmful to you, and it could make you always feel like their opinion matters to you, and you will keep caring too much what they have to say. Another thing, guys, is stop asking people for their opinions about every little thing in your life. Alright, so there are people, it doesn't matter what, they want to buy a dress, they want to buy a shoe, they want to date that guy, they will always ask someone about their decisions in life. So when this happens, they have only other people's opinions to work with. They'd have never decided on their own. They'd have to get an opinion about everything from other people. And this makes them very dependent to other people's opinion and what other people think. So stop asking for opinions about everything. Of course, like I said before, if it is a professional thing, if it is you're trying to buy a piece of real estate, you're trying to invest here or there, you're trying to get a second baby, important decisions, of course you will need someone's opinion. But do not rely on people for every little decision you want to make in your life. Make your own decisions. If there are mistakes, it's okay. We learn fast and we get up and we continue. You have to realize this, guys. We have over 7 billion people in this world. If everybody knew you, believe you me, there would be 7 billion opinions about you. Would you believe them all? So what I'm saying is, of course, if 1,000 people come to you and tell you you are mean, probably you should do something about it. But it doesn't happen every day, so people should not have every day an opinion of what you're supposed to change. Take control of your life, forget about what they're thinking, progress on what you need to progress. Because what you should know is that every time you're thinking about what other people may be thinking, you're putting a pause to your progress. Your own self-development is taking the back seat. So guys, we're continuing with our journey, continuing with our progress. We are not wasting any more time thinking about what other people may be thinking. The last thing I would like to say is self-acceptance is very important. Once you accept yourself the way you are, you have very good qualities, you're a beautiful human being, you're just in this world trying your best with the experience and the tools that you have. Be kind to yourself, you're doing a really good job. So stop putting yourself down and caring so much about what other people think. It is your life. Once you're gone, theirs continues. Live your life, forget about what they're thinking. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.
I hear you breathe, but I